Speaker Sir, for the last 10 years, there has been a systematic attack on the Constitution, on the idea of India, and on anybody who opposed There has been, just warming up right now. अभी warm up हो रहा है. तो there was a systematic, full-scale assault on the idea of India, on the Constitution, and also on millions and millions of people who resisted the ideas being proposed by the BJP, who resisted the attack on the Constitution. Many of us personally were attacked. In fact, some of our leaders are still in jail. One of our leaders has just recently been released. Another one is still in jail. And not only the opposition, but anybody who resisted the idea of concentration of power, of concentration of wealth, of aggression on the poor, of aggression on Dalits, minorities, tribals, was crushed. Violently crushed. People were put in jail. People were threatened. And I myself was attacked.
सर ये संसद टीवी का नया फॉर्मेट देखा है आधा आधा ये पहले हम देखा नहीं हमने
I myself was attacked by order of the government of India, by order obviously of the Prime Minister of India. 20 plus cases, 2-year jail sentence, my house taken away, no problem. Relentless attack in the media, 24/7, every single day, abuse, attack. And then the most enjoyable and beautiful part of it, 55 hours of interrogation by the ED. No, which I really enjoyed. Because by the end of the interrogation, the officer off camera, he switched off the camera and then he asked me, Rahul ji, you've been sitting here 55 hours. आप पत्थर जैसे हो, आप हिलते क्यों नहीं हो? मुझसे सवाल पूछा उसने. तो जब ऐसा आक्रमण होता है, when there's an attack like this on you, you obviously need refuge, you need a place, or you need ideas that defend you. So today I want to start my speech by telling my friends in the BJP and the RSS about the ideas that we used, the entire opposition used, to defend the idea of India. Where these ideas come from and how they gave us the strength, all of us, anybody who opposed the regime, how they gave us the strength to fearlessly take any onslaught that was placed before us. So I'd like to start by showing an image of our refuge. Okay? सर शिव जी की फोटो नहीं दिखा सकते सर?
एक मिनट माननीय सदस्य,
सर शिव जी की फोटो मना है सर?
एक मिनट
सर मना है तो रख देता हूं सर।
नो, एक मिनट प्लीज। आपने सवाल उठाया, आपके माननीय सदस्यगण 353 का नियम बता रहे थे, 352 का नियम बताया। नो 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 नो, प्लीज नो। आपने कहा इस नियम प्रक्रिया से सदन चलना चाहिए। नियम प्रक्रिया में कोई भी प्ले कार्ड, कोई भी चिन्ह को सदन में नहीं दिखाया जा सकता। आपने कहा नियम से, ऐसा नहीं है।
माइक दीजिए सर।
जी
सर क्या इस हाउस में शिव जी की फोटो दिखाना मना है?
माननीय सदस्य,
आप बस ये बता दीजिए
माननीय सदस्य
सर मना है या नहीं?
कोई भी चित्र को दिखाने के
तो शिव जी का चित्र
नियम
इस
है।
साधन इस हाउस में दिखाना मना है? यहाँ पे दूसरी चीजों के चित्र दिखाए जा सकते हैं मगर शिव जी का चित्र नहीं दिखा जाया जा सकता। अगर मैं कह रहा हूं कि हमें इनसे प्रोटेक्शन मिली और मैं समझाना चाह रहा हूं कैसे प्रोटेक्शन मिली, आप मुझे चित्र नहीं दिखाने दे रहे हो। इसके बाद मेरे पास और चित्र हैं, मैं सब दिखाना चाहता था। स्पीकर सर, ये चित्र पूरे हिंदुस्तान के दिल में है। पूरा हिंदुस्तान इस चित्र को जानता है, समझता है। Everybody knows this image. Speaker sir, why I got this image is because there are certain ideas in this image that we defend, that the opposition defends. The first idea in the image that we defend is the idea of confronting our fear, of never being scared. That idea is represented in this image, which you are not allowing me to show, by a snake that is placed right near the neck of Shivji. The idea behind that is never be scared of anything that you face. In fact, Shivji places death 1 inch from his neck. And that is the spirit with which we fought when we were in the opposition. From this idea of resisting, we are still in the opposition, I know. I know that. And I'm happy and proud to be in the opposition. Because for us, there is more than power. There is truth. For you, there is only power. That is the only place you want to be. For us, there is truth. And this is a symbol of truth. So when Shivji places the snake near his neck, what he is saying is, I will accept the truth and I will not back down from the truth, and that is what we have said. After that, a new idea emerges. And of course, I cannot show Shivji's picture, but all of you know it. Behind the left shoulder of Shivji is the Trishul. Now, I would like you to understand that there is a reason that the Trishul, a weapon, has been placed behind the left shoulder.